Do we have a car seat?
Yeah, that's right.
It don't sound nothing like it is.
Car seat out. Did they back seat?
Yeah, it's in the back.
You need to put it in. Where you gotta set it?
I'll put it in.